Welcome to Lingo Tree Let's Speak Italian online series. In today's episode, we will learn about the Italian subject pronouns. Let's go straight into it. Subject pronouns help us understand who is doing the action. The Italian subject pronouns are
io,
I,
tu,
you,
lui,
he,
lei,
she,
noi,
we,
voi,
you, plural,
loro,
they.
io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro. Io amo la pizza.
I love pizza. In this sentence, io is the subject pronoun, representing the person who loves pizza.
Tu studi molto.
You study a lot. In this sentence, tu is the subject pronoun, representing the person who studies a lot.
Lui è simpatico.
He is friendly.
Lei è bella.
She is beautiful.
Noi andiamo a casa.
We're going home.
Voi parlate italiano.
You speak Italian.
Loro sono bravi.
They are good.
Io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro.
Were you able to memorize all the pronouns? If yes, let's see if you can recognize them in the following exercise. Well done. Now fill in the blanks to complete the phrases by using the correct subject pronouns.
Loro sono bravi. Io sono italiano. Lui è cattivo. Noi siamo amici. Lei è bella. Tu studi italiano. Voi parlate bene.
Great. You have almost completed all the Italian subject pronouns. Have you noticed that the subject pronoun, it is missing from the list? In Italian, the subject pronoun it is used based on the male or female gender of the noun. In addition, there are also other grammatical variations related to how the nouns are used based on their singular and plural form. At the moment, in order to avoid confusion, this topic will be addressed in a separate video and through our online classes. Now, let's have a quick look at all the words you learned on today's episode. Congratulations, you have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.